Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Let's start the grooming series. So this is the part 1 and it has 5 parts. Every part has a simple things that you can do easily at home. So join me if you want to look good, attractive naturally, if you want your peace of mind and if you want to be creative. We need to work on ourselves step by step. Don't force yourself too much. Encourage yourself daily by one thing only. Start your day with a routine. Wake up early and have some morning walk close to nature that will help you increasing productivity, efficiency, creativity and your problem solving skills. Step number 2 is stay hydrated. It will boost your energy, helps to grow your skin, hair and nails. Drink at least 8 to 10 glass of water. It will support digestion. Avoid drinking cold water, drink normal water as much as you can. Drinking water gives you acne free, clear, smoother skin. It reduces fine line and wrinkles. Step number 3 is eat clean food. It is very simple to eat fruits daily. Fruits are rich in minerals, vitamins and fibers. They boost immune system and energy level. It saves you from many diseases like heart disease, diabetes and many other diseases. Fruits are beneficial for your skin, hair and nails. Eating clean food helps you in weight management, improve your mental clarity and focus, enhance physical performance. It will help in immune system. It gives you healthy skin, hair and nails. By eating clean food like fruits, oats, cornflakes and vegetables give you a better digestion, lower risk of chronic diseases. Simply, you can change your life with these simple things. You can also have oats in your breakfast. It is high in fiber, reducing cholesterol and heart disease risk, control blood pressure levels. It helps in weight management also. It is rich in iron, zinc and other minerals. You can also make a roti from the oats. Just grind it and add some milk or water as per your choice and put it in a non-stick pan and make a roti with it. Step number 4 is prayer. The main thing we came for in the world. Pray 5 times in a day. Focus on your dua. Be regular and thankful whatever you have. This give you peace of mind, confident and it will definitely help you grooming. Prayer will make you stay active, neat and tidy. It will help you in all manners of life. Step number 5 is cleaning your bed. For a good night's sleep, have some moisturizer on your hand, close the lights, and read some book or do some journaling to clean your mind and have a good sleep.